Do you have the experience like this? Another morning, get up and get yourself ready to work. While you driving to work, you found low tire pressure alarm turns on and got anxious, feeling not sure what to do. Should I stop by a tire store or go to work anyway? For your safety, you decide to stop by tire store to check it out.
Did I get nails on my tires or what?
Fortunately, everything is normal, sir.
It's really waste of time. It doesn't make sense why the low pressure alarm turned on when nothing's wrong. Is it true that my tires are fine?
Have you experienced false low tire pressure alarm before? Low tire pressure alarm turns on while driving to work. Bring the car to tire store but find nothing wrong. Is your car supposed to be the reliable car like the review you saw before buying it? Do you know there's another type of system can indicate exact tire pressure by location and give you more than just a TPMS warning light on your dash? It's much more accurate and it eliminates false alarm. What's more, do you know most of villages in overseas countries are equipped with the system shows exact tire pressure or optional upgrade available, but not herein. The PVW2 kit is compatible to most of that group-made vehicles which equipped with mid to high-level gateway. First, by plugging coding dongle to OBDLL port for 30 seconds to upgrade easily without specific diagnostic tools needed. Second, simply connect plugs to corresponding ports without cutting or peeling cables to install TPMS receiver. The three-way cable harness 100% matches to original plugs. Third, follow instruction to finish TPMS sensor installation. Orange sensors come with OTO auto locate function to save your time after tire rotation. Wow, what a brilliant product! As an OEM Tier 1 supplier, Orange had passed all rigorous quality verification and conform with CE, FCC, SAE and RoHS. All products are covered by product liability insurance with maximum $1 million claim, and most importantly, our superior customer service. Action speaks louder than word. Check the application guide to see if your Volkswagen be listed in the chart.
Looks good. I believe my car been listed in the chart.
If you are driving Audi, please see this chart. For more information, please visit our website or scan the QR code. We are confident and proud to be part of your driving safety.